Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your balance on the CT Pool crypto mining app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CT Pool crypto mining application on your device. And after you are taken into the mining page, you will see the current status of your miner, and underneath you will find the cryptocurrency that you have chosen. You will also see the balance, and at the right side you will see the wallet icon. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the mining tab. Now at the top you will see your total mining balance that you have gathered. Scroll down, and if you have not already linked your NC Wallet application account, then you will be prompted to do so. After your NC Wallet account has been linked, you can then enter the amount that you wish to withdraw. Tap on the max button to withdraw the maximum amount, and then tap on the withdraw button. Now your balance will be reduced, and if you go into the history option, you will see your transaction that you have just made. Now just go into the NC Wallet application account and refresh your homepage. After some time, you should see your balance increased, and your transaction will also be displayed at the homepage right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to withdraw your collections on the CT Pool crypto mining app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.